Hi guys, and as you see, um I am on a not very laggy computer, and I am just going to open this. And yeah, I opened it before, but it's such a surprising surprise. And yeah, rare Viking hat. Thank you so much. What should I send you? Let's send you rare Arctic hood. So yeah, and I just wanted to say that, you know, the reason why Animal Jam, like, I think this is the reason, but I think why Animal Jam just created the otter, like, and it's underwater, but they didn't create an underwater animal in the diamond shop for like 1 year. I think it's because I suggested like an underwater animal, but if that's not really true, congrats to other people who suggested it. Um, or yeah, I think that's what happened. So yeah, it's way less leggier, and I just love this. So yeah, I'm just gonna do random stuff. And this is Banana Bear Penguin. And finally, I can type with free chat. You know that thing. Yeah. So that's all I actually wanted to say. I will be doing an adventure. And yeah. Bye, peeps!